There's a little oil hole there. Right. If this locks up, it means that the little washer over here is too thick. And if there's lots of play in it, it means it's too thin. And if it's just right, it means it's just right. Its ambition is to go, is to be lost. That's without a doubt, lad. Right. That doesn't feel too bad, that. In fact, it feels quite nice. Right, little woodruff key out of there. That hand wheel is all loose and horrible. I might make him a nice new brass handle for there. Right, try this on now. I nipped my hand in there, that would have been not so pleasant. Right, and then there was an Allen bolt that secured the handle on. Bastard! What the drops used tonight. I think this is going to lock up, so I think we need more. Yeah, we do need more shims in there, or a thicker shim. I'll try shimming this end, a 1/2 mil one, cut one off with a parting tool and see what that does. Yeah, because that's tightening down and touching, that's touching on that face there, so we need a space out to keep a little bit of clearance. I'll make a 1/2 mil washer and we'll try that. Right, there's certainly nothing the matter with that parting tool. That's absolutely amazing the way it did that. Right, we'll take that washer out. We'll put that little washer we've just made on. That back on. Woodruff key and hand wheel back on. horrible and dry in there, so we'll put a little squirt of oil in. Right, that's better, but it's still locking up, so that was a 1/2 mil. I'll make one at 0.7 and we'll try that in there. A little washer to come out of there now. Scabby thing. Come on, little washer. Slightly thicker one. Come on, John. I'm starting to get tired of it, some of it. Right. Once more. This feels better. Definitely better. Still a little bit tight though. Right, I'll have to put a 1 mil washer in and that should be the job done. Right, it's looking not too bad now. It's got a 1 mil washer in and it's nice and free and there's no backlash in it, and it goes all the way up to the end. It's full travel. We'll settle for that. So you need to shorten that a little bit now, and basically that's it done for him. Let's put the little oiler back in there where it belongs. You know, this is what people with tools banging things on there. Rough, clumsy bastards. The people that did that didn't buy the lathe, that's without a shadow of a doubt. So they're the 2 oil points. That one feeds the nut and that one feeds the little bearing in the end. And I'm going to make a new handle for that because that's shite.